So what we're going to do for this is we want to find out what x is in this complicated equation. The reason why this equation is a little bit complicated is because we've got x as part of two terms. Problem is we've got x with different denominators. We've got a denominator of 2 here and a denominator of 3 here. In order to combine and simplify what x is about, we need to make sure the 2 and the 3 become one of the same. So we ask ourselves, what number do both 2 and 3 go into? They go into 6. So we are going to make the numerator bigger and the denominator bigger. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 2 by 3 to get to 6, which will then change the numerator here. It will go from 3x to 9x. That is the same as doing the following. Let's say if we had 3 over 2 is equal to 9 over 6. And the way we've done that is timesing by 3. Has anyone got any questions about that so far? No. Are we following so far with that bit? Brilliant. Then we want to do the same with the second fraction. Why? Because it's got a denominator of 3 and that doesn't match 6. So we're going to change the 3 into a 6. That means we have to multiply the 3 by 2 and the numerator by 2. So that means we multiply the whole bracket by 2. Now we're in a much better position where we've got x's on the top, a number on the bottom, and a number on this side. In order to start isolating x on its own, we have to go through BODMAS, and you could either do expansion of the brackets or the division and multiplication first. Normally, when I've got a fraction, I sort out the denominator. Yes?
How did you get the 4 there?
Because 28, this is where I've gone wrong. Thank you. I thought the answer was supposed to be nice. Let's work out. 28 divided by 4 is 7. Would you agree with that?
Okay, divide it.
Yes, we do 28 divided by 4 is 7. That's perhaps why you were confused. We're then going to move the 6 up, so it becomes 6 times 7, which is 42. We're then going to combine the x's together. They're already together on the left-hand side, so that becomes 11x. We're then going to take the minus 2 to the other side, so it then becomes 44. And then x is equal to 4. In your exam, you'll... because the minus 2 is moved over and it becomes from 42 to 44. And when I made the question, I made sure it was nice numbers.
I didn't understand that last part.
Okay, I'll go over that a little bit slower. So we've got 9x plus 2 times x plus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 2. We combine the x's, so 9x plus 2x is 11x. The minus 2, when we solve an equation, it goes on to the other side. So we have 42 plus 2, which is 44, and then we just solve it. The last 2 steps are really simple equations. Yes?
So how did you get from the x minus 1 to the 2?
Because 2 times x is 2x, and 2 times minus 1 is minus 2.
Oh,
It's an expansion of single brackets.
and then from you add 2?
Yes, because we've got the x's on the left and we want the numbers on the right. So we take the 2 to the other side, so it becomes 42 plus 2, because we've moved it. Yes.
Okay.
Does that make a bit more sense, everybody?